Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, compass, front bucket seats. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.